Hello! In this video, you're going to learn how to create a basic graphing interactive response question in Aware. That is at the very bottom next to intermediate graphing. Intermediate graphing is for middle school where you graph equations. We are just going to do dots today. So the graphing standard that we're going to do is 5.8c. We're going to be graphing in the first quadrant. And then instead of typing the question, constructing my prompt, I'm going to copy and paste it from my other window so I don't have to sit here and type it and waste your time. So we're talking about selling a package of cupcakes. Plot 4 points that satisfy this rule. And I'm just going to take that off on the coordinate plane. Going to go up, correct, incorrect. Correct, incorrect means you have to have all of them correct or it's wrong. Point per task means for each one they get right, they get a point. Partial credit, if they only get 3 out of the 4 right, they get 1, and if they get all 4 right, they get 2 points. I'm going to do point per task. Then I'm going to go down and click continue. And they give us our coordinate grid. So there's already a dot on mine. There may or may not be a dot on yours. Because our instructions say 4, we're going to come over here and click up to 4 dots. We do not need a 4 quadrant since in 5th grade students only graph in the first quadrant. So I'm going to put a minimum of 0. We do a maximum of 14. Our bottom axis is number of packages. Our left axis is titled total cost in dollars. And we want to show the arrows. We've already have our maximum dots of 4 for our answers. So now we're going to choose the points on the coordinate grid that would satisfy the rule y equals 3x. So our first one is going to be at 0, 0. Then it's going to be 1, 3, 2, 6, and 3, 9. Now I know you say, but there's one more spot that it could be. However, we only have a choice of 4 dots, and the students should be starting from 0 and working their way up on our x-axis for these types of equations. So once we make sure it has everything that we want, point per task, our primary standard is over here, then we're going to click Create, and you have officially created your first interactive basic graphing question. Huzzah! But before we go, we're going to check to see what the students see, make sure it's what it's supposed to look like. So we click Online, Preview Online Testing, and this is what our students will see when they take the test. Huzzah! Congratulations! You have officially created your first basic graphing question in Aware. Thanks for watching.